Hello students, welcome to Nahar Global School online video classes. This is class 7th maths class. Now today in this class we will start with exercise 1.4 because in previous classes we have completed till exercise 1.3. Okay, so exercise 1.4 question number 1. Now question is saying evaluate each of the following, means we have to evaluate each of the following. So minus 30 divide by 10. It is our question. Now हमें क्या करना है, डिवाइड करना है, वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. सो सबसे पहले minus 30 डिवाइड, दिस इज डिवाइड साइन एंड डिवाइड बाय 10. Now students, if you see, then this 0 and this 0 will cancel out each other. Now minus 3 divided by 1 will gives you minus 3 and it is your answer. Okay, it is your answer. So this completes our A part. Similarly B part, B 50 divided by minus 5. So how we will do this? First write 50, then divide sign, then minus 5. Now students, when we observe this, we see that 5 tens are 50. This 50 will cancel out by this 5 and gives 10. But still in denominator minus sign is left. So when we write our answer, this minus sign is also present in the answer. Okay, so this is our answer. Minus 10. Okay, now C part. Now C, D, E and F, 4 parts are your homework. Okay, let me write this C, D, E and F part. ये आपका होमवर्क है, ठीक है. This is your homework, C, D, E and F part. Because students, C, D, E and F part are very easy and you can do this at your home. Okay, so try doing this at your home. If you find any doubt, you can ask me. Now I am proceeding with G part. One more thing students, in F part, the question is saying 0 divided by minus 12, and you know very well, whenever we divide 0 by any number, the answer is always 0. Okay, so the answer of F part is 0. F part का आंसर 0 ही होगा क्योंकि हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 0 ही मिलेगा. ओके, सो C, D, E part, these 3 parts are your homework. F part मैंने आपको यहीं एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. तो 4 parts आप अपनी कॉपी में करके और मुझे मेरे नंबर पे सेंड करेंगे होमवर्क. ओके, डेली ऑन ए रेगुलर बेसिस. नाउ G part. G part is minus 31 divide by minus 30 plus minus 1. Okay. So students, first we write this minus 31, then divide sign this. Now minus 30 plus minus is minus, so I write here minus and 1. Okay, now this minus 31 as it is. Now minus minus is plus, so 30 plus 1 31, but the sign of greater number is minus, means 30 greater है और इसका साइन माइनस का है, so we have to put minus here. Now students, 31 ones are 31, 31 got cancelled, so what remains? 1. Also this minus and minus cancels out each other, so our answer is 1. Okay, this completes our G part. Now similarly H and I, similarly we have to do H and I. question number 1, h part. Now h is minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. Means this bracket says that this whole term is divided by 3. So first we will solve this bracket. Okay, solution minus 36 divided by 12. Okay, this is our bracket. Now this divide by 3 remains as it is. Now students, 12 threes is 36. Okay, 12 threes is 36. So here minus 3 remains, and also this divide becomes this, and this 3 comes in denominator. Okay, now 3 ones are 3, but minus sign along with minus sign, so it becomes minus 1, and it is your answer. Okay, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. सबसे पहले क्या करा, ये जो ब्रैकेट है इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करेंगे. इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करा तो माइनस 3 आया, माइनस 3 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा माइनस 1. ओके, दिस कंप्लीट्स आवर एच पार्ट. नाउ आई पार्ट. आई पार्ट इज minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले ये ब्रैकेट लिखेंगे, मीन्स minus 6 plus 5, फिर डिवाइड का साइन, फिर minus 2 plus 1. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, मीन्स 6 में से 5 गया तो 1 बचा, बट साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर नंबर इज माइनस, सो वी हैव टू पुट माइनस हियर. Upon minus plus is minus, sign of greater number is minus, so minus 1. Now students, this minus minus cancels out and our answer is 1. Okay, this completes our I part. Now, so this is question number first. Okay, this C, D, E and F part are your homework. You have to try this doing at home. So this completes our question number 1. Now let's proceed to question number 2. So question number 2 is verify that A divided by A divided by B plus C is not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay, so first part is A equals to 12, B equals to minus 4, C equals to 2. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमें वेरीफाई करना है और ए बी सी की कुछ पर्टिकुलर वैल्यूज़ दे रखी हैं क्वेश्चन में. हमें इन तीनों वैल्यूज़ को एक बार LHS में पुट करना है, एक बार RHS में पुट करना है, और देखना है क्या LHS नॉट इक्वल्स टू RHS है या नहीं. ओके, सो लेट्स डू राइट हियर सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व LHS. ओके, so LHS is A divided by B plus C. Now A is 12 divided by B is minus 4 plus C is 2. So 12 divided by minus plus is minus, sign of big greater number is minus. So here is minus 2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, माइनस प्लस माइनस, सो 4 में से 2 गए 2, और साइन बड़े नंबर का लगेगा, इट मीन्स 4 का साइन माइनस का है, सो माइनस. नाउ व्हेन यू डिवाइड दिस 12 बाय minus 2, you will get 2 6 ja 12, but this minus sign also remains, so minus 6 means LHS की वैल्यू क्या आई, minus 6. The value of LHS is minus 6. Now Let's solve RHS. Okay. Now RHS is A divided by B plus A divided by C. A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay. This is our RHS. So the value of A is 12 divided by B value minus 4 plus this plus. Now A divided by C. What is A? 12 and C 2 means 12 divided by 2. Okay. Now students, when you solve this, what you will get? When you divide 12 by minus 4, you will get, just do like this. Okay, 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. When you divide this, you will get 4 3s are 12 and 2 6s are 12. But here minus sign is also present. So this is minus 3 plus 6. Now when you solve, minus plus is minus and sign of big number is plus. So 3. Answer is 3. Now students, as you can see, RHS value is 3 but LHS value is minus 6. Means we can say that LHS is not equals to RHS. So just write here, since LHS not equals to RHS, hence proved. Okay. यही प्रूव करना था that LHS is not equals to RHS. A, B, C की वैल्यूज दे रखी थी, हमने उनकी वैल्यूज को पुट करके ये प्रूव कर दिया that LHS is not equals to RHS. Okay. This completes our first part of question number 2. Now the second part of this question, that is B part, is your homework. Okay. Also students, so this is question number first, 4 parts, and question number second. So let me write here only question number second, B part. Okay. Question number second, B part, and question number first, C, D, E and F parts are your homework. Also students, question number third is also your homework. Question number third is also your homework because in question number third you will be asked some fill-ups. Okay, fill in the blanks. And students, these fill in the blanks are very basic. And when we did exercise 1.3, I have explained you how to solve multiply and divide questions. Okay, so this is only that basic questions. You just try doing this at home, and if you find any doubt you can ask me. Okay students, so question number third is your homework. Question number fourth is write 5 pair of integers such that A divided by B equals to minus 3. One such pair is 6, minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 gives minus 3. Means हमें ऐसे pair of integers लिखने हैं जिनको मैं divide करूँ तो क्या आना चाहिए? minus 3. तो ऐसे students बहुत से pairs हैं, जैसे for example अगर मैं minus 12 को divide करूँगी 4 से तो भी क्या आंसर आएगा? minus 3. तो एक पेयर बन गया क्या? minus 12 और 4. सिमिलरली एक और पेयर अगर बनाना चाहूँ तो बना सकते हैं minus 6 और 2 बिकॉज जब 2 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? यस, minus 3 आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स. वेरी नाइस. But this pair is already given in the question, so we don't have to write this pair. Okay. Now write 24 divided by minus 8. One such pair is 24 divided by minus 8 because when you divide 24 by minus 8, what you will get? minus 3. So आपको ऐसे पेयर्स लिखने हैं जिनका डिवाइड करने के बाद -3 आए. 2 तो पेयर मैंने आपको बता दिए ऐसे. वन पेयर है -12 और 4 and the other pair is 24 and -8. Similarly, you have to find 3 more pairs. Okay, so try doing this, and if you find any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now, from question number 5, we will do in next class. Till then, keep studying beta. And this is your homework. Question number first, C, D, E, F part. Question number second, B part, and question number third. These 3 questions are your homework. Okay. Thank you.